Here's a dirty secret the home organization industry doesn't want you to know. The average senior's home contains over 3,000 items they haven't touched in 2 years. But tonight, I'm going to reveal the 10 specific items that, when removed, will instantly make your home feel 50% more spacious and 100% more peaceful. But first, meet 73-year-old Margaret. 3 weeks ago, her home looked like a disaster zone, and after removing just these 10 items, it looks like something from a magazine. She calls it her overnight miracle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 10 items to ditch tonight to unlock your clutter-free transformation. If you're ready to create a home that supports your best life, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Join our smart seniors who are already living clutter-free. Now, let's count down those 10 items, starting with the easiest wins. Item number 10 might shock you. It's hiding in your medicine cabinet right now. I'm talking about expired medications. Most seniors keep expired medications just in case or because they're unsure about disposal. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But here's the dangerous truth. Expired medications lose potency and can become toxic. Plus, they create visual clutter that makes finding current medications harder when you really need them. When you have medications dating back years cluttering your bathroom counter, you waste precious time every morning sorting through bottles to find your current prescriptions. After clearing the expired ones, your morning routine becomes faster and stress-free. Tonight's action step: check expiration dates on every medication in most pharmacies accept old medications for safe disposal. This one simple task will immediately make your medicine cabinet feel organized and safe. Item number 9 is stealing your kitchen counter space and your peace of mind. Duplicate kitchen gadgets. We accumulate these thinking more tools equals better cooking, but they actually slow us down. How many can openers do you have? How many spatulas? Most seniors have at least 3 of everything. The real cost: you can't find what you need when you need it, and your kitchen feels chaotic instead of calming. When you clear out duplicate gadgets, you free up entire drawers and cooking becomes enjoyable again instead of frustrating. Tonight's rule: keep your one favorite of each type. The manual can opener that works perfectly, the spatula that feels right in your hand. Donate the rest tonight. Your kitchen will thank you tomorrow morning. Item number 8 is literally weighing down your home in your spirit. I'm talking about old magazines and newspapers. We keep them thinking we'll reference them later, or because they contain important information. But here's the reality check. When was the last time you actually looked through a magazine from 6 months ago? If you're like most people, never. These stacks collect dust, harbor allergens, and make your home feel stuck in the past instead of moving forward. They're also a fire hazard that many seniors don't consider. When you have magazines dating back years, you're convinced you need them for recipes and health tips. But after clearing them out and signing up for digital subscriptions instead, your living room finally feels peaceful and current. Tonight's rule: keep only this month's issues. Everything else goes to recycling. If there's an article you truly need, take a photo of it with your phone. Item number 7 is hiding in your junk drawer, mocking you every time you open it. Broken electronics. We think we might fix them someday, or that we might need the parts. That broken TV remote, the phone with the cracked screen, the radio that only plays static. Sound familiar? Here's a reality check. Broken electronics create mental clutter. Every time you see them, your brain registers unfinished business. It's exhausting, even if you don't realize it. When you have a drawer full of broken electronics you've been meaning to fix for years, you feel guilty every time you open that drawer. That's the hidden cost. Emotional exhaustion. If it's been broken for over 6 months, it's not getting fixed. E-waste centers will recycle them properly, and you'll reclaim that drawer space for things you actually use. Item number 6 is making your linen closet look like a disaster zone. Worn out linens. We keep them for emergencies or because they still have some life left. But let me ask you this: would you offer that threadbare towel to a house guest? Would you put those pilled sheets on a bed for someone you care about? Worn linens make your whole home feel tired and neglected. You deserve better. You deserve to wrap yourself in towels that feel luxurious and sleep on sheets that feel fresh. When you finally clear out worn linens, you'll be amazed at how much space you free up. More importantly, Your daily routine will feel more dignified because you're finally treating yourself with the respect you deserve. Tonight's test: keep only linens you'd be proud to offer a house guest. If it's not good enough for company, it's not good enough for you. We're halfway there. You've already identified 5 categories that could transform your home tonight. Take a moment to appreciate what you've learned so far, but wait until you see what's coming next. These next 5 items are the real game changers that separate smart seniors from those who stay stuck in clutter forever. Item number 5 might surprise you because it's not small, it's not hidden, but it's stealing your freedom every single day. Excess furniture blocking your pathways. We arrange furniture for how rooms used to be used, not how we live now. That extra chair nobody sits in, the side table that's become a catch-all, the bookshelf blocking the window. These pieces seemed necessary once, but now they're obstacles. Extra furniture creates fall hazards and makes your home feel cramped instead of spacious. It also makes cleaning a nightmare because you're constantly moving around obstacles. When you remove just 2 pieces of excess furniture from your living room, you can gain 10 feet of clear walkway. You'll be able to vacuum in 5 minutes instead of 20, and more importantly, you'll feel confident walking through your home at night. Tonight's exercise: walk through your home and ask yourself, if you have to navigate around it, do you really need it? Your safety and mobility are worth more than any piece of furniture. Item number 4 lives in your closets and attacks your heart every time you see it. Your children's artwork and school papers from 30+ years ago. I know this one's tough, because these represent precious memories of your children's growth. Every finger painting, every report card, every Mother's Day card feels irreplaceable. But here's the hard truth: keeping everything means nothing feels special. When you have boxes and boxes of artwork, the real treasures get lost in the mass. You're not honoring the memories, you're burying them. When you go through these boxes, you'll realize you've been keeping incomplete homework assignments and random doodles alongside truly meaningful pieces. Select 5 special items per child and have them professionally framed. Then you'll actually look at them every day instead of feeling guilty about boxes in the closet. Tonight's approach: choose 3 to 5 truly special pieces per child. Take photos of items that are meaningful but not display-worthy. Then let the rest go with love. Your children don't want you burdened by their childhood clutter. They want you free to enjoy your life now. Item number 3 is silently sabotaging your self-esteem every single day. Clothes that no longer fit. We keep them hoping we'll fit them again, or because they were expensive, or because they represent who we used to be. But every time you open your closet and see clothes that don't fit, you're reminded of what you can't wear instead of celebrating what you can. This creates decision fatigue and makes getting dressed stressful instead of enjoyable. You deserve a closet full of clothes that fit your current body and make you feel confident right now. When you clear out ill-fitting clothes, getting dressed becomes a joy again, instead of a daily reminder of your limitations. You'll go from a packed closet, where you wear the same 5 outfits, to a curated wardrobe, where you love every piece. If you haven't worn it in 2 years, or it doesn't fit your current body, it goes. This isn't about giving up, it's about honoring who you are today, and making space for clothes that celebrate your current life. You're doing amazing. We've covered 7 items that could revolutionize your home tonight. I can feel your energy shifting as you realize how much lighter your home could feel. But these final 3, these are the secret weapons that smart seniors use to unlock true peace. The next one is something 90% of seniors have but never actually use. Item number 2 is the most heartbreaking clutter culprit, and it's probably in your attic, basement, or closet right now. Memory boxes that you never open. We box up sentimental items thinking we'll sort through them someday, but someday never comes. These boxes become emotional burdens instead of treasures. You feel guilty about them but don't know where to start, so they just sit there collecting dust and creating stress. Here's the truth: real memories aren't meant to be stored away in dark boxes. They're meant to be celebrated and enjoyed. When items are boxed away where you never see them, they're not honoring memories, they're creating anxiety. When you finally open these memory boxes you haven't touched in years, you'll discover that 90% isn't worth keeping. Old phone books, random receipts, duplicate photos that are blurry. But the 10% you keep, Those items will bring you daily joy because they're displayed where you can actually see and appreciate them. Here's your gentle approach. Open one box this week. Keep what truly sparks joy. Photograph items that are meaningful but not display-worthy. And release the rest. Your memories deserve better than being trapped in dusty boxes. Item number 1 is the dirty secret that could actually put your financial security at risk. Duplicate important documents scattered throughout your home. We keep multiple copies of everything to be safe, but it creates the opposite effect. When you have 5 copies of your insurance policy in different locations, which one is current? When you need your will quickly, which version is the legal one? Duplicate documents make it impossible to find the correct version when you need it most. Worse, old documents with outdated information can cause serious problems. Seniors accidentally use expired insurance cards, submit old tax forms, and even discover multiple versions of their will with different beneficiaries. When you organize your documents, you might find 5 different versions of your will scattered around your house, but only one is current and legal. You lose sleep wondering if your affairs are in order, not realizing the chaos created by keeping everything. Here's your system. Create one master file for each document type. Keep only the most current version in your home filing system. Store one copy with a trusted family member, or in a safety deposit box, not scattered around your house. This isn't just about organization, it's about protecting your legacy and giving yourself peace of mind. When you implement this system, you'll sleep better knowing exactly where everything is, and that your family will be able to find what they need without confusion. Look at what you've accomplished. These 10 items, immense when removed, don't just declutter your space. They declutter your mind. You've just learned the exact system that has helped thousands of seniors reclaim their homes and their peace of mind overnight. This isn't about perfection or having a magazine-worthy home. This is about creating a space that supports your best life, reduces your stress, and gives you more time and energy for what truly matters. Every senior who implements these changes tells me the same thing. I wish I'd done this sooner. Don't let another day pass feeling overwhelmed in your own home. Your 24-hour challenge starts right now. Pick just 3 of these 10 categories and tackle them tonight. Don't try to do all 10 minutes. That's overwhelming and you'll burn out. Choose 3, complete them completely, and feel the immediate difference in your home and your mood. Tomorrow, I'm sharing the 5-minute daily system that prevents clutter from ever returning, because clearing out is just step 1. Keeping it clear is where the real magic happens. And I have a simple system that takes less time than making your morning coffee. If this video helped you see your home differently, hit that subscribe button and join our community of 50,000 plus seniors who are creating peaceful, purposeful homes. Ring that bell so you never miss a strategy that could change your life. Remember, you don't have to live with clutter. You don't have to feel overwhelmed in your own home. You don't have to apologize for your space or avoid having people over. You deserve a home that feels like a sanctuary, not a source of stress. Your peaceful home is waiting immense. These 10 items are the only thing standing between you and the clutter-free life you deserve. Go claim it tonight. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video, where we make sure it stays that way forever.